Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share Zohan's birthday vlog. So his birthday was on October 26th, and I know I'm a bit late, but yeah, I really wanted to take a break before uploading his birthday vlog. So we celebrated his birthday in Bangalore, and my mom, dad, my brother had traveled from Chennai to celebrate his birthday with us. And also we went to party decor shop next to our place to check out some party decorations, but we did not find anything interesting. So finally we went to SP Road and got decoration stuff from Mahavir Balloons. So yeah, these are the things which we got for Zohan's birthday decoration. We wanted the theme to be superheroes because he loves superheroes. Please do watch the video till the end because I'm sure you're gonna love it. We then started decoration was like really simple. We didn't want much decoration this time, so we just made sure that we give him a very good surprise. And one side we were cooking lunch, and the other side we were actually preparing for the decor, and my neighbor kids were also helping us for the decoration. And this is the happy birthday banner. It's a superhero happy birthday banner. I really loved it. This was one of the best decor thing which I got from that particular shop, and this is how it looks like. So we also gave a number 3 foil balloon, and this is the superhero hangings, and I really loved it. Zohan also loved it. We didn't know like from where to hang the twirls, but finally we also blew up some multicolored balloons, and these are the superhero balloons. This is the Captain America, and on the other side we had Iron Man. We also had the Captain America shield with us, which we had stuck on the table, but I think it has not been captured properly. Really sorry for that. And this is how the decorations looks like. This is Zohan's dress. We wanted to get him something like red and blue combination. We got him a simple shirt because we didn't want any party wear, because these days we don't get chance to go out much, and party wear dresses will not work out. So this is a very simple shirt and pant, and on top of that we got him a blazer. And we also got a surprise on his birthday that was from Biryani by Kilo. So this is my costume, guys. This is my dress for the day, my birthday dress, and this is Zohan's final look. He also wore Spider-Man socks, and these are my neighbor kids, and this is the PR which I got from Biryani by Kilo. It's like handi biryani, and it was very delicious. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do follow, because I post lots and lots of reviews and collaboration videos on my Instagram page. So please do check out. I have mentioned the link in the description, and also this is my ID. So they sent us chicken dum biryani and also chicken roast. Along with that they sent us matka firni. So this is my brother, and my husband also dressed up in green as like Hulk, and my brother also dressed up in red. And these are the things which was gifted by my mom and dad along with my brother. And they gifted these things along with the superhero toys, because Zohan is fond of superheroes, and they wanted to give him something which he really likes. And this is the cake. So cake was customized one, and we got this from Cafe Arabica in Bangalore. I gave him a very simple design to do, and it turned out really well. The cake is actually pineapple flavor, but yeah, it is a superhero themed cake. I clearly told him that I wanted 4 colors in the cake, and here the kids are giving him gift. And the shield is Zohan's toy, so I just placed the shield over the cake, and this is Zohan's final look. This is the blazer. This is Zohan's socks, and I think this was much enough to complement superhero party. And I also dressed up in blue, like it was just a colorful party. That's it. It was very simple. Unlike last 2 years, I did not do any DIYs because I did not have time. Also, I was traveling to Bangalore, so I did not even have time for anything. So it was just a simple decor and simple thing. We did not invite anyone because we don't usually. These 3 kids are my neighbor kids, and they are very close with Zohan, especially in Bangalore. So they had come up, and they also enjoyed with us, and my brother and dad are taking photos and videos. So a very simple party. And
Antika, happy birthday. Nanu nani ka. Mia mama ka. Mia mama ka. मैं कौन बोलेगा? Thank you बोलो.
This is Zohan giving return gift to his friends, and then for dinner we headed to Chichaba's Taj because it was nearby. Zohan cannot travel for long, so we just went to something which was nearby. It is in Fraser Town. We went there for the very first time. My dad and my husband has already been there, but for me and my mom it was the first time. So we ordered various dishes. I don't even remember the dish name. This is kebab, I remember, but this one I seriously don't remember the name. So yeah, we had ordered things for dinner, and we had some yummy dinner. The place is really good. If in case you visit Bangalore, then you can check out. This is Nali Nihari. This one I remember, but the other thing I don't really remember the name. Zohan also loves having lunch or dinner at restaurant. He really enjoys restaurant food. This is kulfi. So after having dinner, we stopped at ice cream parlor and we had kulfi. We did not head out, but yeah, we had in car itself. And these are the gifts which Zohan got from his grandparents. So he loves superheroes, as I already told you, so they gifted him everything related to superheroes, and he really loved it. This is a school bag which is which Zohan is currently using for to carry his books, and these are the different superhero stuff, soft toys. And unfortunately we left everything in Bangalore, so whenever we visit back Bangalore, that time I think Zohan will be enjoying with them. Now we are in Chennai. I'm in my mom's home, so I'm actually not feeling that well, and that is why my voice is very low. So this is another gift which was given by my parents. They also gave money to Zohan to get whatever he likes, and this is the gift given by the kids. And Zohan was very badly wanting me to open everything, and this is the coloring book set which he got. So entire coloring set was gifted by his friends. And then they my parents also gifted him dresses, and this is the shirt and jeans and tee which my parents had gifted. And Zohan was very much happy that day. He was like really enjoying, and this is his mask. So we gave him this mask, Captain America's mask, and we also gave one this watch was gifted by my brother because it's like a projector watch, so it was really nice. Just see how it works. And this is something which actually was very catchy, and Zohan got really attached to it. So these are the things which was there inside the basket which was gifted by my parents. And these sweets, actually Zohan likes gulab jamun, cakes and chocolates, and he also likes gems and all that. So whatever he likes, they gifted him that in that basket. And I just thought I'll unbox and show it to you, like what all was there inside this. Actually he does not eat all these, we only ate. And the next morning my brother had to leave Bangalore because he had to attend office, so he just left from Bangalore. And everyone actually went down to went down to send him off. And even neighbor kids came, and they also came to send off my brother. It was like really nice time. He came only for a day, but we really enjoyed. So I would like to thank my brother for dropping in. And I'm having this leftover matka finni which was sent by Biryani by Kilo. It was really delicious, guys. And then the next day I got another PR parcel, and it was from Patan Sahib. They sent us momos, Frankies and French fries. So it was like double treat for Zohan's birthday. So next day also we were getting things for review, so it was like really nice. And the next day my cousins had got this cake for Zohan. Thank you so much. The cake was really nice. It was white forest, it was really yum. And this is the superhero entire set which we gifted to Zohan. So this has a superhero, a shield, a playing game, a watch, a gloves, t-shirt basically, which was very very big for Zohan. And also it had Captain America ka mask. Then this playhouse, yeah, and this playhouse was also gifted by us. So he really enjoyed playing in the playhouse tent. And this is the honeybee string lights which we decorated over the tent. And the next day, Kidlitical had sent out a gift for Zohan for his birthday, and it is this matching game kit. They sent some sketch pens and some worksheets for Zohan. This is the worksheet, guys. These are the matching worksheets. There were some 100 plus worksheets, and it has like various benefits. It is a very good thing to practice writing, and it develops memory skills. It helps to focus. It has actually develops your baby's brain and memory power. So this is something which is very very interesting, and I will definitely recommend you guys to try this out. You can use my code which is I love my child and get 100 rupees discount. And I'll mention their a link in the description box below. Do check out. They also have an Instagram page. You can follow them and order over there also. I really love this kit, guys. Thank you Kidlitical for sending us this beautiful gift on Zohan's birthday. Zohan loves it, and he enjoys working out on these sheets. When this video was taken, Zohan did not know to hold the pencil properly, but now just because he's taking online classes, he is like okay with the pencil control. And he really loves doing these kind of activities more than learning, more than writing. He loves doing these kind of activity, and it really boosts baby's memory skills. And you guys should try out some kind of activities at home for your baby. It is definitely worthy. And also this was taken before we left to Bangalore. So this was at Dadi's home. There was just a small cake cutting, and that's it. So this was Zohan's first cake of 3rd birthday. This is rasmalai pistachio cake. He really enjoys cake cutting thing. And this is the lotus candle. He really got excited with the candle. We also tried for the first time, and the cake was very yum, and it was from Ahmad Sweets. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do remember my boy Zohan in your precious duas. Stay tuned for another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.